Today on Mr. Music Man TV, we're gonna march in the key of C. We're getting our egg shakers out. Miss Shay has some cool dance moves for us to learn. And what's the word of the day? Mr. Matt has the answer. Coming up first.
I'm marching in the key of C. 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 I'm clapping 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 in the key of C. I love to dance, sing, and play. And if you ask me why, I'll say I love to dance, sing, and play as long as I can see. I'm marching in the key of C. 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 I love to turn, sing, and play. And if you ask me why, I'll say I love to turn, sing, and play as long as I can see. Here we go. I'm marching in the key of C. I'm marching in the key of C. Very good. Marching in the key of C. I'm marching in the key of C. Let's clap. I'm clapping in the key of C. I'm clapping in the key of C. All right. Clapping in the key of C. I'm clapping in the key of C. One big turn. I love to turn, sing, and play. And if you ask me why, I'll say I love to turn, sing, and play as long as I can see. All right.
Mr. Music Man's word of the day. It's time for our word of the day. Can I get a drum roll, please? Our word of the day is
Melodica.
That's right. And today my friend Mr. Matt is going to tell us all about it. So put your hands together and please welcome Mr. Matt.
My friends know what this is? Is it a guitar? No. Is it a saxophone? No. Is it a grand piano? No. Can my friend say melodica? Very good, friends. This is a melodica. And what does the melodica sound like? Does it sound like a harmonica? Very good, friends. It does sound like a harmonica. Zabba-zeba, zabba-zee. It sounds like a harmonica, but you play it like a keyboard. The melodica. Can all of my friends say melodica? Awesome job, friends.
Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day! Our rock stars of the week are two brothers, Arav and Arnav. Mr. Music Man also wants to wish a very happy birthday to Arav, who's turning 5. Congratulations, Arav! You are one awesome 5-year-old.
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I have some more cool hip hop moves to show you. And I have a special friend that's going to join me today. Yes, High Pitch. High Pitch is going to help me show you some cool hip hop moves. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Alright everyone, let's do our first move. So we're going to take our arms and place them out in front of your body like so. Make sure your feet are apart. And we're going to go side to side, okay? So just side to side. So we're going to do this for an 8 count, which means we're just going to count to 8. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do the next move. For our next move, you're going to bring your arm up, just like this. And we're going to bring our opposite knee up with our arm. Okay? So it's going to be up, and then we're going to do the other side. Up. Nice job. So let's do this for an 8 count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to do our next move, which is basically taking your arms, placing them behind you this time, and we're going to switch side to side like this. Got it? So they're behind you and switch side to side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right, so let's do all of the moves together slowly, and then we'll do it at a kind of a faster pace. All right, you ready? Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You all did awesome today. Give me a high five. And then give yourself a pat on the back, because you did great. I'll see you next time.
This has been another episode of Awesome Music Stuff.
Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Touch my toes, touch my toes. Touch my knees, touch my knees. Touch my chest, touch my chest. Touch my head, touch my head. Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Touch my ear, touch my ear. touch my eyes,
touch my eyes,
touch my mouth,
touch my mouth,
touch my nose.
touch my nose.
Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Touch my toes,
Touch my toes,
touch my knees,
touch my knees,
touch my chest,
touch my chest,
touch my head.
touch my head.
Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Touch my ears,
Touch my ear,
touch my eyes,
touch my eye,
touch my mouth,
touch my mouth,
touch my nose.
touch my nose.
Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom. Egg shaker, boom, boom, boom.
Hey, Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our word of the day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to MrMusicManCompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.